Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So look at that beautiful juicy green bar which closed above the previous day's high. Nice bullish bar, just like this one here. So what do you expect is going to happen? More than likely go sideways. So don't trust any of this. We've had quite a few. We've had another golfing one here. We've had big bearish bars. We've had big bullish bars pretty much the next day. So I expect the same thing to happen. So my tune has not changed. This is sideways. There's no reason to be looking for long-term longs. You're looking for short-term gains at the moment, and that basically not shorting off the top because the trend is up. So we're looking to be buying off the bottom until the trend reversals. So at the moment, moving averages are all in the middle. We're above and below the moving average pretty much the whole week, and in fact it happens on a daily basis. So you can see Thursday was down, sideways, inside bar. You can see already, and I said to you yesterday, we're probably going to be buying off the bottom here, and that's exactly what they did. What they did do though is started to sell off this area, but then drove it higher. So not reading too much into that because there is structure there. You can see if you look to the left, there's the start of my structure. See there? And there will be structure a little bit higher up as well, somewhere in that area. So, we can still move up to this area, but then I think that's a take profit area, and then we need to wait and see what transpires. So remember, what we're looking for is, we're kind of looking for this kind of day where we test moving averages pointing up, but then we need follow through on the next day. So at the moment, we haven't got that. So we've done it twice, you can see there, and then here. Okay, and then now that we've got this one. So I anticipate more than likely reject this level, hopefully come back and find some support to start building a case to break to the upside. But we've been sideways for so long now, it is going to take a monumental effort to break through this range. But when we do, be assured that that move is going to be fairly violent. Okay, so as usual, 15 minutes is the one you want to pay attention to. Wasn't really an entry yesterday. You would have expected at least, we opened on the 15.535, which is fine, but I would have expected to pull back onto that to test it. That would have been a trigger long, but there was also a gap. So kind of a difficult one to jump in on, but that is what happened. So I don't think you would have seen it on the 5 minute. Let's just double check. Yeah, no, it still would have been missed on the 5 minutes. So you can see there's a 5 minute gap there. Really, there was a pullback coming. The logical area was to down here, but it actually just went to the gap. So you can see there's the gap there. I didn't even close the gap. I still left the gap open. So be wary. There's a gap there. There's a gap there, and there's a gap here at the bottom of the range. So yeah, I expect we will more than likely come and test that. Okay, so I'm not looking at this today. I don't think there's an opportunity. I don't want to be shorting because I am anticipating a break to the upside. So don't want to be shorting when the trend is up. So for me, this is sit on hands. If we do come back and close the gap and bottom of range, then we get some structure, then I'll be looking for some longs down there. But at the moment, this is sit on hands. We'll wait to see what transpires. Okay, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.